The first step of creating a style is choosing the body that you want to use in your design. In the bodies library, you can start curating a list of bodies that you want to use for upcoming styles. So in the library, you can press New Body in the top right corner and select Add from CreateOne Body Catalog. Here, you will be able to browse the hundreds of CreateOne core bodies that are available for you. These are available for all CreateOne users, no matter your subscription tier. They span menswear, women's wear, unisex bodies, accessories, homeware, and even children's bodies. This list is constantly growing as our development team is adding to it every week. You can use the search bar to search for a specific category of bodies. And then I can click into any unique body and press Learn More to load a tech pack equivalent of information here. So for this specific maxi dress, I can see the specific measurements across the grade. In the Fit Simulation tab, I can see the look of this maxi dress on the Resonance Fit avatar and get a heat map to see where it lays. And in the Details tab, I can see a list of all of the compatible materials for this silhouette. If this is a body I'm interested in using in my designs, I'll press Use and Add to my library. Once the body has been added to my library, I can use that in one of my upcoming styles. The CreateOne core body library is really intended to be a starting point for you. We have hundreds of options of elevated basics across categories you can use in your styles. You're not limited to just use those bodies though. In the premium tier, you can upload your own DXF pattern to start developing your own list of custom bodies in your library. We'll review that in a future video. In the next video, we'll jump into materials, the second building block of style creation in CreateOne.